Hello and welcome back. I found a little beauty on the Dutch eBay, the Marktplaats, and it's from Farnell and it's the TM2. It is AC and DC millivolt meter, but it also goes up to 300 volts. And yeah, if sometimes digital meters are just too slow, or if you want to adjust on a peak, it's easier to see the needle, so that's why you want also analog in your collection. And well, if you need an analog one, why not a nice looking one? So I was lucky to find this one. I will zoom in a bit because you can see it shows its age a bit, but after a cleaning it will probably look amazing again. So let me show you. Well, look at this. Doesn't it look beautiful? And on top of that, it has the millivolt scale. It also has decibels, and sometimes well, you find those in the documentation. And for me, I'm used to work in volts, so I usually have a calculation sheet. But here I don't need that because it's just in the boat in the scales. So well, as you can see, yeah, there is some moisture and the buttons are just dusty. I hope you can see, but in here the aluminum, or it's chrome, yeah, it's a little bit oxidated, but I don't know what is its age, so we need to find out. Also, I didn't find a manual, and I did see here that it also says battery, so it doesn't feel that heavy. So probably the batteries are not in, and I really hope they are not in, because if they are just as old as the meter, then it probably doesn't look very nice inside. And yeah, well, it has been tested a few years ago. It even has a stand that is nice, and I'm pretty sure it will look great here in my meter collection. And yeah, I really, well, needed one is a big word, but I didn't have a proper analog one, so I think this can be it. So let's clean it and make it beautiful. The inside looks still very nice. I don't see any oxidation in the inside. They put some protection for short circuit. That is good. Look at this range switch. It has resistors. This switch is not doing one thing. All these old meters seem to have that complicated switching. Yeah, so this is the power supply, and in the bottom here we have the panel. I see some. Here is a meter, here. So there we can adjust. So I'm going to look for a service manual, and we're gonna adjust it. But first we clean. But I just wanted to show you. I just opened the side there. Now we have a much better view on the switch, and we have better access to clean them. Also, I found a few screws inside that hold this panel, but they are exactly the same as the screws in the front, only they look better. So I will replace those from inside because they are behind the cover, no one will see. So that is already an easy upgrade. Well, look at that. Well, it took a little bit longer than expected. I got a little bit carried away at the point that I start polishing the rusty screws in the front, but Look at this. Doesn't it look amazing? Even the handles, everything. This is what you want your device to look like. And does it still work? Yes. Did I calibrate? No, not yet. I need to find the manual and then I will calibrate. But if we put the 5 volts, look at this, it's 5 volts and it's really, I like it. It is very nice. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.